Is your BMW showing error code P1748? This code means the transmission control module, or TCM, has failed its self-test, indicating a potential problem with your transmission system. Let's break this down and guide you through diagnosing and fixing the issue. The TCM controls gear shifting, ensuring smooth performance and fuel efficiency. A failure in this module can lead to erratic shifting, reduced performance, or even safety risks. The main triggers include faulty TCM hardware, such as internal damage or aging components, software corruption, such as outdated or malfunctioning firmware, wiring issues, like damaged or corroded connectors disrupting communication, and power supply problems, such as weak or inconsistent voltage to the TCM. Here's what you might notice. Dashboard warning lights, such as a check engine or transmission error light. Erratic shifting, like gear slipping or hard shifts. Limp mode, which restricts gear operation, and reduced performance, like loss of power or delayed acceleration. To diagnose the problem, follow these steps. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and look for related errors. Inspect the TCM's connections for loose or corroded wires. Test the TCM's power and ground connections with a multimeter. Evaluate the TCM hardware for visible damage, such as burnt components or water ingress. And reflash or update the TCM software using a BMW-compatible diagnostic tool. Here are potential solutions based on your diagnosis. Repair or replace damaged wiring and connectors. Replace the TCM if internal damage is confirmed. And ensure it's properly programmed. Update or reflash the TCM software with the latest version, and fix power supply issues by replacing a weak battery or alternator. After repairs, clear the error code and test the car to ensure the problem is resolved. To avoid similar problems, regularly inspect and clean electrical connectors. Update your car's software during routine maintenance. Monitor transmission fluid levels to prevent overheating, and address warning signs early to avoid costly repairs. Error code P1748 points to a TCM self-test failure. And resolving it ensures your BMW's transmission system remains smooth and reliable. Whether it's a wiring fix, software update, or TCM replacement, addressing this error promptly is critical. For more tips on diagnosing and fixing BMW issues, subscribe and stay tuned.